Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are giving you a tour of the Duhaney Park Plaza in Kingston. Now this is a very successful plaza in Jamaica and it was recently renovated. As you can see, very modern looking. The entire plaza was actually renovated. These shops that you're looking at are actually new. And then this is the Shoppers Fair supermarket. It was actually rebuilt. The structure that was there was demolished and a new structure put up, which is happening a lot to plazas in Jamaica now. Because I guess you could say times are changing and more modern structures are being put up to replace the old structures. In Harborview, they are literally doing the exact same thing to that plaza. They are rebuilding the Shoppers Fair supermarket, and the entire plaza has been given a facelift. Alright, so in Jamaica, you need three things for a successful plaza. One, you need a brand name supermarket, a large supermarket chain, and Shoppers Fair is the largest supermarket chain in Jamaica. Two, you need to build a plaza in a populated area, and this plaza is in the Duhaney Park neighborhood or area. Very populated area, massive housing development, and then on top of that, it's on Washington Boulevard, which is the major road into and out of Kingston. So this is a very busy plaza. And then the third thing you need is food stores. And this plaza has a lot of food stores in it. This is actually a new building that went up also. They did an excellent job in modernizing this plaza. And it has paid off because the plaza was busy before, it's even busier now. Alright guys, enjoy the tour as we give you an update on the new Duhaney Park Plaza. Alright guys, have a good day.